What's up guys, this is Mohammed Bazar from NutriLife. Today I'm going to review about white oats. It has a which is of Quaker brand, quick cooking, also called an instant cooking. So there is so much fuss about what is white oats, brown oats, whole grain oats. So let's go towards more into detail about this product. So the ingredients, if we talk about it, is white oats. Ingredient is Quaker rolled oats. So there are different kind of oats. Rolled oats, instant oats, then there are whole grain oats. So those all are different. So we'll talk about this later. First, we'll jump towards the nutrition information. Serving size is 40 gram. See, always the serving size of oats are 40 gram, which is around 2.5 tablespoons, somewhere around 2.5 tablespoons. So it has a calorie of 157, which is perfectly fine, no issue with it. Fats 3.2 gram, out of which unhealthy, which is saturated fats, just 0.7, which is thumbs up again. Zero trans fats, which is perfectly fine. Now talk about carbohydrates, which is 26.3 gram of carbohydrates, 4 gram of fiber, which is the best. It has lots of fiber in it. As I already mentioned in my earlier post, per meal should have minimum 3 to 4 gram of fiber in it, which keeps your stomach full for a longer period of time. It will give you energy for a longer period of time. It has sugar 0.4 gram, which is negligible amount, which is completely fine. It has 5.2 gram protein, which is again very good. Sodium level is 2.8, which is fine, no issue. Iron is 1.04, completely okay. Magnesium is fine, zinc is fine. So this is a very good product according to the nutrition information. But there is a catch in this product. It has white oats. So if you compare with whole grain breakfast oats or whole grain Quaker brown oats, there is no difference in terms of nutrition information. But there is a major difference between in the ingredient label. There is a Quaker rolled oats. White oats are, what is the difference between brown oats and white oats? The nutrition information will remain same, but the point is when you roll the oats for instant cooking, the oats will lose some important vitamins and minerals. That is why I will never recommend white oats to my clients, or in generally I will never recommend white oats. There is no issue with white oats, but it is more processed than the brown oats. So that is the only difference. So always choose the whole grain oats or whole grain oats for breakfast. Both are same, no difference. And even white oats, the nutrition label are same. The only difference is it is more processed than brown oats. So that's it in this section, sir. Have a good day. Take care. If you like this video, press the like button. If you really want to see such kind of more videos, you can subscribe my YouTube channel or you can follow us on Instagram. Thank you so much.